Today on Learning Things You Didn't Know You Needed to Learn, resonance testing in Klipper. We'll give you a guide to how to do it and how to better improve your prints using Klipper and the manual resonance testing because I don't have the automatic setup. What we'll need is a Sharpie and a caliper. And while doing this, you want to make sure your outer walls are at a sufficiently high speed, and that's the outer walls, not the total print speed. So anywhere between 75 and 100 is usually good. I do mine at about 150. It doesn't really matter. It helps get a better number for when you do the physical calculation at the end. So what it is you can see printing on along the basic formula they give you inside the documentation. This is zero compensation. This is my printer on the best of times on the x-axis. And this is what it does on the Y. So you can see there is minimal amounts, but this is what we're trying to eliminate. And we'll try to show you the basic features of how to get rid of that. So what we're going to do is you're going to locate your lines, and you're going to try and associate as many as you can find in a given space. So we have marked lines here and there, and we are going to measure them. It comes out to 19.3. So what we're going to do is count between this gap how many lines are present, which we get 9. And from that formula, we take the speed at which the outer walls are printed, and we multiply it by 50, which is the outer wall perimeter, times the 9 to give us a value, and we divide that by the distance between the two, which in this case is 19.3, which gives us a resonance of 23.32. Same procedure through the other side to get you a total of 31.74. Inside Klipper, we go into your printer config. You scroll down all the way till you find your section that associates yourself to your resonance, which in this case is, for me, right here. So we have put the values in, and this is what my new shaper format will be based off my manual calculations. Now, as you can see, once I've done the calculations, how much less my resonance is showing up on the x-axis, and it's almost completely gone when you look at the y-axis. All this info can be found at this link, and it breaks down all of the tuning and frequencies as well as the actual file you'll need to use. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. But for the most part, it's pretty much broke down in very easy follow steps, and good luck.